We put this website together for you, the local artisan contractor, to make informed decisions about contractors insurance. Contractors insurance isn't like other forms of insurance. You need a specialist. You need someone who's dealing with it day in, day out. There are too many forms, too many endorsements, too many ways that your business can be negatively impacted by the wrong form, the wrong policy. Your business is put at risk every day. You need someone who understands that and deals with it every day correctly. As an artisan contractor, there are really three policies that you're concerned with day after day. It's your general liability, your business auto, and your workers' comp. General liability is the backbone of your business. It allows you to sign contracts, provides liability for any damages that you incur, property damage, bodily injury. Next is that you see will be your business auto. Business auto allows you to transport tools, go back and forth to a job site. And workers' comp will protect you and your employees if you're injured in the course of your employment. As I said earlier, contractors insurance isn't like other forms of insurance. The nature of your business is far more dangerous than other retail operations, things that other agents handle easily. You need someone, an agent that can handle it, all the exposures properly. Get your certificate so that you get paid, make it that you haven't signed contracts and given away rights so you don't need to. On a workers' comp audit, you need an expert to be able to review that to make sure that you're not overpaying for the cost of your subs. Business auto, you're going to run into problems if the vehicles aren't properly classified, how they're garaged. These are just some of the areas where a contractor's expert differentiates himself from the rest of the pack and saves you money and makes it that you can sleep at night and your business is protected. The other things that you're going to see which is different than other insurance agents are we're talking to the same companies, the same underwriters all the time. We're able to get better pricing and better terms than a local agent just because this is the market we play in all the time. I urge you to take a look through our website. I think you'll see there's nothing really comparable to it in the marketplace. The website's basically broken down into two different areas. First is big picture, what you need to know about general liability, workers' comp, business auto, and the other related policies to a contractor. The second is more specific. It breaks down each individual trade, gives you day in, day out policies you need and the actions you need to take to protect yourself. If you have any questions, please give us a call or email us. Our phone number is at the top of the website. I think when you go through everything, you're going to be more than pleasantly surprised at the difference that a true contractor's insurance expert can make for you and your business. Thank you so very much for your time. We look forward to hearing from you.